Hariom Maharajji.
Hariom.
I just came from Germany. Nowadays, I am in India. We are together here. So, first of all, I have one question. A lot of people in Germany, they are busy in their own life, own business, own families like this. But what do you think? What's the major difference in India and Western culture? What they can specifically get from here if they visit India, and how much they will get benefit from that? So please.
So your first question is that what is the difference between the Indian and Western culture? See,
Ji.
every culture is defined by its geographic and climatic conditions.
Yeah,
Right. The first thing, the difference is that the West got less of sun, and we get best of sun.
yeah,
And we have the best of nature. In India, there are 6 biospheres, and there is a saying in India that after every 100 miles, water changes, clothing changes, the food changes, right?
yeah,
Because the main ingredient of food is water,
yeah, yeah,
and means it everything changes. So India is an organic entity
yeah,
of various cultures, but leading to the same goal of spiritualism.
yeah,
But in West, the culture is more aggressive. It's more outwardly. In India, the culture is more inwardly.
yeah. They are
You
extrovert.
in
Yeah,
India, everything inspires you to go and delve deep inside yourself. So your second question, that what the Westerners will get from by coming to India, so they will get lot of a different perspective towards life, towards nature, towards culture, towards peace, harmony. Right? As I
yeah,
said, Western culture is very much aggressive and very much formatted.
yeah. Organize.
Organized. But here you will find disorganization. But if you look very deep, so there is a great harmony in the chaos. Usually, when Westerners come to India, say, "Oh my God, so much of chaos on road." No, it is not chaos. If you can see deep,
Yeah, this is important. This is
if you
important.
can
Yeah,
see deep, there is a great harmony.
yeah,
There's a great harmony. We are peaceful people. We first think to avoid hurting other people. So this
yeah,
is the harmony in chaos.
yeah,
It may seem in chaos, but actually everyone is wanting to protect other. When you are aggressive, you are always thinking about yourself. So
yeah,
that is what you will come to find in India. You think about your family, everyone thinks, but how you're thinking, how you're providing for your family, everything here, but when you come here, you'll find a lot of difference, and certainly you will transform
yeah.
once you come to
Yeah,
here.
yeah. After a few days,
After a few
they,
days, you will transform your thinking about life, your what your values in life should be. So
it's
now,
good.
just now, I'm reminded of a great poem. In Lochinvar was the poem. I think it was. I don't remember the poet, but it says that East will be East and the West will be West, and never the twains shall meet. But I feel now the time has come that the twains of East and West, they will meet very well. They will integrate very well, and a new humanity will certainly rise very soon. And it is rising. The consciousness level of all people on planet Earth is rising, and we say that Vasudev Kutumbam,
Kutumba.
well-being to everyone on this planet Earth.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Whole world is family. Thank you very much,
Right.
Guruji. Thank you.